Hi everyone. How would you like to be able to create high-ranking websites with about 20 minutes of work for anyone you want? And those websites will come out as differently as you would like them to come out. Like these. Every website will have perfect coding, and that means Google's going to want to rank it. Every website will have maximized page speed, so Google's going to want to rank it. Your website generator is extremely easy to use, and there's one place you can go to in there where you can make changes to company information for any company you're making a website for. For example, you see how the phone number ends in 7890? That's true on every page of the site. Well, what if you wanted to make a version of this website for somebody else? Would you have to go to every page to update the phone number? No. With the global variables, you can just do it in one place. Let's say 2345. And now if we come back and refresh the page, every one of these entries has been updated for us on all of the pages. Same is true for everything else. The city, the company name, the phone numbers in the image alt tags, the cities in the image alt tags, the company names in the image alt tags, everything. When you're done, you'll simply use the feature called Export Project to create a zip file version of that website you just generated for your client and send it to them so that they can upload it to their website. Or if you have their FTP information, you can upload it to their website directly through FTP for them. One of the best features of your website generator is that you can make a massive sitemap to cover every keyword you want times every location you would like, so that you have this extremely huge sitemap. Let's start with no sitemap at all and see how it works. We're going to go to the Varsheet loader. This is where we load our variable file, the one containing all of our keywords and cities. I'm going to simply drag that variable file here, give it a name, simple, and submit it. There, now it's in the system. That doesn't give me a sitemap yet, but I can decide how big I want that sitemap to be. I'm going to create 1,000 subdomains to target each of my cities times a bunch of my keywords. That set of 6 pages has been generated now 1,000 times for every different city combination. So I just produced 6,000 web pages in about 2.5 seconds. If I look at the sitemap now, every city times every keyword I was after in my list suddenly appears. That's 1,000 subdomains. As you can see, they're focused on each different city. And if I were to open them in new tabs, I can see that each page is focused on its own area, its own phone number, its own company information, all through all the pages. Even the image alt codes are updated now to accommodate the new information for the page. Not just that, but I'm switching between themes as I go, intentionally to create more diversity and different looks and styles and appeals. So I'm switching back and forth in this sample between 2 opening styles. If you would like to get this website generator for yourself, go to website-installer.com. The videos and the training are here. And if you choose your category, you can choose the Legacy UAP. That's what we've been covering. So with the Legacy UAP, you can take a look at the live demo. And that's this. And if we go back, you can choose to get the details, which will explain what you're getting. You'll get your SSL security cert, you'll get hosting included. You get unlimited bandwidth and storage, and you can attach add-on domains. And you can install your website in 2 minutes and be live. How do you do that? Enter your order information here. If you have a promotion code, place it here. Optionally, you can put in any amount of company information to update your website when it installs. And where should we install it? So get a domain name. If you need to get a new one, click here. That way you can find your perfect domain name up here. And then simply follow the instructions to set the name servers so your website goes live right away. When you buy, you can make the payment with PayPal or a credit card. Then it'll go through the motions of installing your website in 2 minutes and sending you an email with the access information, and you're off and running. The full video training is available through the link at the top of this website. We have lots of great tricks and strategies for you to help you start monetizing your websites right away. All right, we hope you found this interesting, and we're looking forward to getting your projects on a roll. Thanks for watching. This is Dave Bennett with website-installer.com.